Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hassan, High School Rangpath. Dear students, in continuation of previous lesson, punctuation, let us go ahead today. In previous lesson, I discussed different symbols used in punctuation. Number 1, capital letters. Number 2, full stop. Number 3, exclamation. Number 4, note of interrogation. On that very day, I discussed something about note of interrogation. Let us today start from this very point. Note of interrogation. The mark of note of interrogation is this. This mark is used after a sentence, interrogative sentence. This mark is known as note of interrogation. When there is a question, we use this mark at the end of the sentence. There are two types of questions. Number 1, WH questions. Number 2, yes, no questions. WH questions start from the words W. For example, what, why, when, where, how, who, etc. When the sentences start from these words, from the words started with W. For example, what is your name? You have to give full answer to these questions. What is your name? You have to say, sir, my name is Hassan. Why are you here? I am reading in this institution. Where from you? Sir, I am from Rangpath. The words, the sentences used from these W. As per the grammar is concerned, these questions need complete answer. Second type of questions which start from auxiliary verbs. For example, is, am, are, was, were, do, does, have, had, etc. These words are called auxiliary verbs. As we know, there are two types of verbs, main verb and auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs we used in interrogative sentences. We make by these auxiliary verbs interrogative sentence. When there is a question started from auxiliary verbs, they need only the answer yes. For example, is he your brother? You have to answer yes. So, the sentences which start from these words, whether W or auxiliaries, they need at the end of the sentence a mark known as note of interrogation. Second point which we have to discuss, it is comma. Comma is a mark which is used to separate items in a series. For example, if there are discussed different qualities of a person in the same sentence, we have to separate those qualities by a mark known as comma. And the mark of comma is this. If we say he is an intelligent hard worker, and above all, he is honest. When we say he is hard worker, intelligent, after hard worker, we have to use this mark, comma, intelligent, comma, and above all, honest. In American English, we can use mark on the both qualities. For example, hard worker or intelligent. But in British English, we use only one mark, only one comma at first point. For example, he is hard worker, comma, intelligent, and above all. When there is and, we don't use comma. So, comma is used to separate items in a series. Number one. Number two, if the sentence is a long sentence and it has two different subordinate clauses, to separate the subordinate clauses by this mark, comma, on such places, comma is used. One more point, that is hyphen. Hyphen is used. The mark of hyphen is this. It is used in compound words. For example, son in law. It is combination of 2, 3 different words. So this word, such type of word which has two words, such type of word is known as compound word. Here we use hyphen, son-in-law, commander-in-chief, brother-in-law, toothpaste. Such words which have more than one word, independent word. Such words are called compound words. In compound words, we use this mark hyphen. Number one. One thing we should always remember, there are compound words. Compound words. Sometimes compound words are also phrases. For example, I will write here a word, white collar. White collar. White collar. It's a compound word. Two different, combination of two different words. Compound, white and collar. White means safed. Collar means which is in our